Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to install Linux development environment on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On the latest version of Chrome OS, we get Linux desktop application support. However, for that, first of all, we have to install and set up Linux development environment. To set up the Linux development environment, simply click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, click on About Chrome OS option. Here scroll down. Here under Developers option, you will find Linux Development Environment option. Simply click on Setup button. Now here we have the setup window for Linux Development Environment. Simply click on Next, provide username and select here storage. By default 10 GB is recommended. However, if you need more storage, then you can simply click on Customize and select your storage. But I will go with the recommended option. Then click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you will get the Linux terminal window. Using it, you can install Linux desktop application on your Chromebook. Before using it, you need to restart your system to apply the changes. For that, simply close the terminal window. Then click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon. Here click on power icon. Then click on restart. After that, you are ready to use Linux terminal to install Linux applications. To open the Linux terminal, simply click on App Launcher icon. Here look for terminal application. Simply open it. Now here click on Penguin option. This will open the terminal. Now let me show you how you can install Linux applications. For that, first of all, you have to run sudo apt update. Then hit enter key and wait for the update process to complete. Once done, you have to upgrade the packages. For that, simply type sudo apt upgrade. Then hit enter key. Now if you get do you want to continue command, then simply type Y, then hit enter key and wait for the upgrade process to complete. After that, you can install Linux application on your Chromebook. For that, you need to type sudo apt install followed by the package name. Say for example, if you want to install VLC media player, then simply type VLC. Then hit enter key and you will get do you want to continue prompt. Here simply type Y, then hit enter key and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, you can simply close the terminal. Now to access the Linux application, simply click on App Launcher icon and here you will find Linux apps folder. Simply open it and here we have the VLC application. So that's it. This is how you can install Linux development environment on Chromebook to install Linux application. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.